Hi, good day. My name is Nolan Koen. I'm the face behind Novess Maths tutoring. So I've been a tutor since I matriculated in 1996. So I've helped students during my free time, and I've helped them ever since for the last 25 years. Due to time constraints, I couldn't give my full effort to the students because I still have a full-time job. So I usually just help them Saturday mornings. However, a couple of weeks or month ago, I realized that data is becoming cheaper in South Africa. And I realized if I make videos and put that videos on social media, for example YouTube or Facebook, then it will be accessible for many students to use. So that is what I'm starting to do. It's still at the beginning stages, so I'm putting a lot of videos on. In the evenings I do a couple, and then I will upload it on YouTube, and soon I will create a website as well, and you will see there's different grades, and the different grades you can access that will direct you to the YouTube videos. The YouTube videos is very simple. It's just the way that I like to teach the mathematics. I do it in very simple form, and I do it very slowly, especially for the grade 7 and 8. So my focus is grade 7 and 10. Why? Just because I've been used to helping those students all the years. But I have to help grade 11 and 12, and I will continue to do that on an ad hoc basis. But just the focus will be more on the foundational grades of mathematics. So 7 and 10, grades 7 and 10 for now. Then later I will go even to the grades, maybe grade 1 and 2 up until grade 6. So I just want to show you how I do it. I've got the various books that is from CAPS, Pythagoras. There's a platinum book, grade 7, just various books that I've also used when I studied mathematics. And I'm doing a lot of examples per section, so my videos will be section specific, for example exponents, and then I will do many examples that focus only on that. So here's the books. So I don't have my own stuff, it's all this current syllabus that the school children are using, and I have this formula book as well that just reminds me of the various formulas. I do it on the iPad, I do it on Zoom, I write. So what you see on the videos is what I write on here. So you will not see my face on the videos, just what I write. But I write it on here, and from there I upload it on YouTube, and then from there it is accessible immediately. I hope it helps. My contact details is also on the website. So if there's any additional questions that you don't see on the videos, please ask me. Please send me the specific questions. I will do it, and then I will upload that for your children as well. I really hope this helps. Send me feedback. My number is there, my email address as well, so that I can know how I can continue to improve for the website, not for me, for your children. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Goodbye.